What is going on YouTube? You're probably wondering why the hell am I dressed like this? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Fae Farm for free on your Nintendo Switch or PC. Fae Farm is a fun game, it's pretty expensive, but hey, I've managed to find a method of how to get it for free. It takes just a few minutes and anyone can do this. So I'm going to head over to my desk and I'll run through the tutorial and help you get Fae Farm for free. So let's do this now. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Fae Farm for free, and this works on obviously Nintendo Switch as well as your PC. So you just have to choose which platform you wish to get Fae Farm for free on. And this method is so easy, guys. This is going to get you a digital code which you can simply redeem within the store on the platform you play on, and it's going to start downloading Fae Farm for completely free. It takes just a few minutes, so I've decided to finally record this video and show you how you can get this amazing game for completely free. So let me run through these steps on how you get Fae Farm for free. So grab your mobile phone. You can see here I'm using an iPhone and I've opened up the internet browser. And you need to basically go to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. So you've got to make sure you type it exactly like this to ensure you go directly to the website. Now, when you reach Speedy Coupons, you're going to find a page with lots of different stuff on, ranging from gift card codes to game codes to discount codes. And if you scroll down this page, you're naturally going to come across the page that you're looking for. However, to save you from scrolling, as you can see here, there's lots of different offers here. You can go to the search bar and just type in Fae and start typing Fae Farm, and it should just pop straight up like so. So when this page pops up, you just tap it to open up the main page, and you can see this is a Fae Farm free game code. And if you scroll down, you'll see that the codes are somewhat limited, guys, so you have to make sure you get on this as quick as possible. And you can see there's a couple of different options. Like I mentioned earlier, you just have to choose which console you play on, or platform I should say. So you can see you can get a free Switch copy of the game, or you can get a free PC/Steam copy. So I play on Switch, so I just tap this show code here on the corresponding platform, and it says this is a Switch game, free digital copy of Fae Farm for Switch. And you can see it says FF, I guess that's for Fae Farm, but this is the start of the digital code. We need to unlock the full code, guys. This just protects the codes from robots and ensures the right people get the codes. So tap unlock code. This takes just a couple of seconds whilst it starts unlocking your code. Okay, and now you're going to come across this screen. This is completely normal, and this is pretty easy actually. We just need to complete 2 of these tasks on this page, and these tasks range from, oh, no, I just accidentally tapped one there. Let's go back off this page. Sorry about that, guys. I'll get into that in a second. Basically, you're going to see lots of different tasks on this page, and we need to complete 2 of them. And you can see here, they're all completely free. And they range from installing applications, legit applications, or just literally just completing a survey. So for example, you can see here it says, this one says fill in your personal details and confirm. So this is sort of like a survey. So if I click on that one, you can see I just need to answer some questions here. And I'll have to input my email address. So this is sort of an example of a survey, so I'm going to be doing that one. And now let's go back, and for example, we see Family Island. It says download then complete level 8 to unlock your code. So this is sort of a game that you have to download from the App Store, so I'm just clicking on that one. And you can see I just need to start downloading the game, and then once it's downloaded I need to play it and get to level 8. So I'm going to go ahead and finish both of these off. You can choose any two on the page, whatever offers you get shown here. They're always completely free. So let me go ahead and finish both of those tasks. I'll play Family Island to level 8 and then I'll just finish off this survey. So give me a couple of minutes, I'll do these and I'll return. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and completed both of those tasks I showed you. You have to make sure you fully complete any two on this page, guys. You're going to get different tasks depending on your country, but they're all completely free and they're pretty easy. Some take longer than others, so you just have to make sure you complete two that you don't mind fully completing. Now, once you've done two of them, hit the tabs button and you can see this tab has popped up, and if you've got good eyes you can already see it's released my code. So this is my digital copy of Fae Farm for Nintendo Switch, and you can see it's given me my code here, and this code I simply have to copy and I can enter this into the Nintendo eShop and it's going to start downloading Fae Farm for free. So this is by far the best method to get the game. These codes, you have to go and get your personal code, guys, because these can only be used once, and I'm going to be giving this to my friend, so he's going to be using this code. So you need to go to speedycoupons.com, make sure you go to the website directly and search for the Fae Farm page, and yeah, follow these steps I've shown you here. I hope you found this useful, guys. Please hit the like button if you managed to get your digital copy of the game. So people who's watching this video who are unsure can check the likes, and if it's got tons of likes, I guess that means this works, and I know it works because I've done this personally and I've just done it now. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.